Ever wondered why a Starbucks latte costs more in London than it does in Los Angeles? The culprit? The wacky world of currency exchange rates. A system so complex it would make even your drunkest college roommate scratch their hungover head. But fear not, weary traveler looking to make friends in Thailand. I will bear all, unlike the bearing all surprise you get when your Thai partner reveals their bareness to you, and you find out that they have an asset with a higher interest rate than you. Never mind. That's what you call Bangkok. Oopsie daisy, sorry, I forgot this isn't a traveling channel. Now imagine currencies as drunk people at a party. The American dollar, USD, is the loud, obnoxious one flashing a wad of cash, probably printed by the Federal Reserve's magic money machine. The British pound, GBP, is the stiff upper lip chap, trying to maintain decorum while secretly eyeing the USD's wad. So why is the USD acting like a baller, or in the traveler's case, a sugar daddy? Well, it all boils down to supply and demand. The same reason why everyone wants to be your friend when you have pizza or a flashy car when you're trying to chat that person standing in the corner of the street, or Rodeo Drive if you're from Cali. A strong economy, political stability, and high interest rates, like offering to buy everyone drinks, all make the USD more desirable. The GBP, on the other hand, might be a bit hungover from Brexit. Political instability is like a bad hangover. It makes people avoid you and your currency. Trade imbalances are like that awkward moment when you realize you've been buying that one girl drinks all night, and she's left the party with the USD. The more a country imports, buys stuff from others, the less desirable its currency becomes unless it radically changes or goes to Turkey for a transplant. Yes, that's a hair joke, unless you're into implants. This whole thing plays out in a giant online casino called the Forex market, and not the casino of your favorite entrepreneur in Romania. Here, currency traders are like those annoying people at a party who only talk about stocks. They buy and sell currencies 24/7, hoping to make a profit by betting on which ones will go up or down in value. Stop thinking about the ups and downs from your trip to Thailand. It's basically gambling, but with slightly less questionable life choices, hopefully. So how does this translate to your Starbucks latte or the price of your favorite night entertainer? Let's say the USD is feeling particularly flush. Think lottery win. In the Forex market, everyone wants a piece of that action, driving the price of USD up. This means it takes fewer USD to buy the same amount of GBP. Boom! Your latte is suddenly cheaper because the GBP is the equivalent of that sad, deflated pool float after a long day at the beach. So now you can get more fish and chips for your buck. However, a few other things can affect exchange rates. Speculation. This is like gossip at a party where Dave tells everyone he spent the night with Karen, and everyone in the office is talking, and the CEO then refusing to promote Karen because the speculation made him think that he lost his chance with her. Therefore, if everyone whispers the GBP is going to crash, people might sell it in a panic, making it actually crash. Can't trust anyone these days. Not even Davey, your best bud from the pub. There is also government intervention. Imagine the party host, the government, stepping in and saying, "All right, everyone, calm down. We're buying some GBP to prop it up a bit." This doesn't happen often, and it can be messy, but hey, kids gotta grow up at some point. In essence, remember, exchange rates are like that weird friend who keeps changing their hairstyle or their weave. They fluctuate constantly. So stay informed, embrace the absurdity, and hopefully this video has given you a brief example of the global financial system. Now go forth and conquer that foreign dream of traveling to Thailand. You magnificent currency converter, you. Subscribe and like, otherwise you may become the main attraction at the clown convention.